Hey guys, it's Paul. If you need Vimeo training or you are thinking about using Vimeo, I have full free training introduction, what it can do for you. pnuk.com/Vimeo, or you can type in Vimeo here or click Vimeo. It'll take you to my free training you do not need to sign up for. Vimeo is a great platform for hosting, self-hosting videos, for selling videos. So Vimeo on demand, you can sell your own videos. And then obviously all the things that go with that, some training, some free links from free information. I'm not a Vimeo partner. I just really like Vimeo. Places where you can sign up and dive in. I also, obviously, Vimeo need to give you the support as well. So there'll be links here for login and Vimeo support and contact. I didn't realize it wasn't there. I'll add it. But they'll also, obviously, we want you to get the most out of Vimeo. So there's free training from me. There's free training from Vimeo to get you started. Anything that you don't know or you don't see answers to, simply add a comment on any page. You don't need to be signed in to do it. If you want to track that you've watched Vimeo videos, so for instance, you've watched this Vimeo on demand, then you can sign up for my training. It's completely free to do so. That way you can click mark as watched. It'll say mark as watched when you go back to the training and refresh. That video, that training lesson will be marked that you've watched it. That's the only reason you need to sign in. But it is completely free training, completely free to any member of your team that you can just send a link to. So if they find something interesting, you might say, right, this is how we add chapters to a Vimeo video. Fire it off. If you've got any questions, send your team, tell them to just comment on the YouTube video or in the comment title of the lesson, and I'll dive on it and try and give you help as best I can to get you flying with Vimeo. It really is a cool training. It really is a cool sort of video self-hosting, even though they're hosting it, alternative to YouTube, where you can sell your own videos and embed them in your own website and control who sees that. Any questions, any more information you need on Vimeo, fire questions in the comments or on the website, pnuk.com/Vimeo. Free training, no sign up required. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Paul, PNUK, Punk, out.